In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to AdsPower. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Search. In the search bar, type AdsPower so you can quickly find the official website. Once the search results appear, look for the listing titled AdsPower, Best Anti-Detect Browser for Multi-Accounting, and click it. This helps make sure you're heading to the correct site before entering any login details. When the AdsPower homepage loads, find the login button, usually near the top of the page, and click it. This will take you to the login screen where you'll be able to access your account. On the login page, you'll have two options. You can either sign in by entering your account credentials manually or choose Google SSO if your account is connected to Google. If you're using the standard login method, click into the field for your email or phone number and enter the one associated with your AdsPower account. After that, move to the password field and type in your password carefully. Take a moment here to double check for typing errors, especially if your password includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, or symbols. Once both fields are filled in, click the Login button to continue. If your account has extra security enabled, AdsPower may ask for a verification code. In that case, open your Authenticator app if you've set one up, or check your email if the code was sent there. Enter the verification code into the provided field exactly as shown. After that, click OK to complete the process. If everything was entered correctly, you should be logged into your AdsPower account successfully. And that's it. As a quick tip, always make sure you're on the official AdsPower website before signing in, and keep your login details stored securely for easier access next time.